Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in North Canton today picking up a post test from mitigation that we did for a property for the city. We went ahead and installed a subslab depressurization along with a block wall depressurization in this home in order to get the radon levels down, which we did. Went from 8.6 to 0.4, so a nice drop there. You can see here's our subslab depressurization here, and that pipe runs up and it tees off back here behind the water cooler. That part is heading out to the exterior of the building, and then we cut across here and run it over and down, and then put a block wall depressurization here underneath the crawl space in order to get that area as well. Seems to work out really well. We'll head outside and check out the exterior of the system. All right guys, we're back outside here checking out the North Canton house exterior portion of the system. You can see here, you can see where that pipe came out from the foundation wall. We put that fan right on top there. We used a big 501 fan because of the size of the space here. We had to make sure that we were getting enough draw to cover the entire portion of the property. So we put the big one on there, electrical coming down through the conduit into its own little designated switch, and ran that pipe up. And above that roof line there, about 12 inches again, just per state code. Everything is anchored to the siding, so that piping shouldn't go anywhere. But again, another fantastic mitigation by Radon Eliminator. Thanks for checking us out. Make sure you stay tuned for more content.